Good morning, students. Now it's time for your maths class, and today we will be doing revision work. Look at the sum. Expand the following numbers and add. Look at the first sums: 1245 plus 1214. So first write down the units: ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. Write down the numbers. Arrange the numbers: 1245 plus 1214. Now add these two numbers. Look at the ones, please. First add the ones. 5 ones plus 4 ones, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. And tens, 4 tens plus 1 tenth will be, 4 plus 1 will be 5. Next, 2 in good. Add the hundreds place. 200 plus 200 will be 4. 1 plus 1 will be 2. The answer is 2459. Look at the next one. 1523 plus 1111. First write down the units: ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. Now arrange the number: 1523 plus 1111. Now add the ones place. 3 ones plus 4 ones, 3 ones plus 1 ones will be 3 plus 1, 4. Now go to add the tens. 2 plus 1, 2, 3. 5 plus 1, go to right at the hundreds place. 5 plus 1 will be 6. Now thousands place, 1 plus 1 will be 2. So the answer will be 2634. Now go to the next one. Right, 5413 plus 1213. Now write down 1000, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. Now arrange it: 5413 plus 1213. Now add the ones. 3 plus 3 will be 6. Tens, 1 plus 1 will be 2. At the hundreds place, 4 plus 2, 4, 5, 6, 6. 1005 plus 1 will be 6. So the answer will be 6626. Now go to the next one. Add ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. Now arrange it: 1461 plus 5234. Now add it: 4 plus 1, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9. At the hundreds place, 4 plus 2, 4, 5, 6, 6. Then 1005 plus 1 will be 6. So the answer will be 6695. Now add the following with carrying. So look at the ones place. 6 plus 5 will be 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11. Write down 1 under the ones and carry 1 at the tens place. So 9 plus 1 will be how much? 10. And 10 plus 1, 7 will be 10 plus 7 will be 17. So write down 7 under the tens place and 1 at the hundreds. So 1 plus 1 will be 2, 2 plus 1 will be 3. Write down 3 under the hundreds column. Now go to the thousands column. Add 4 plus 2 will be 4, 5, 6, 6. 6,000. So the answer will be 6,371. Look at the next sums. Look at the thousands column. Ones column, look at the ones column. It's 7 plus 3, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 plus 6 will be 16. Write 6 under ones and carry at the tens place. So 7 plus 1 will be 8. 8 plus 1 will be 9. 9 plus 5 will be 14. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So write 4 under 10 and 1 at the hundreds place column. So 1 plus 1 will be 2. 2 plus 5 will be 2, 5, 6, 7. 7 plus 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 11. 1 under the hundreds column and 1 at the thousands. 4 plus 1 will be 5. 5 plus 2, 5, 6, 7. 7 plus 1 will be 7, 8, 8. So the answer will be 8146. Look at the next sums. 1178 plus 2145 is equal to dash plus 1178. So what will you, both the numbers should be equal. If you add these two numbers and the answer that you write away, both the numbers will be equal. So one number you've already got 1178, here is also 1178. So what will you add with this? Already the number is equal to 2145. So you have to write on 2145. Okay? Both the sides will be equal. Look at the 3571 plus 2174. So here equals to 2174. What will you add? What will you add in over here to make both the sides equal? So if we write, see, one number is already given over here. The next number is this. So you have to write down 3575 1 to make both the sides equal. Next, 0 plus 2176 will be, see, when 0 is added to any number, the sum is the number itself. Again, the sum of any number and the 0 is the number itself. So whenever if we add any number to 0, the sum will be the number itself. So 0 plus 2176, the answer will be 2176. The answer will be the number itself. The sum will be the number itself. Next, 4175 plus 0. Again I am telling again, if the sum when 0 is added to any number, the sum is the number itself. So 4175 plus 0, the number will be 4175, the number itself. Next, fill in the missing number add-ons. 70 plus dash is equal to 100. So what will you add with 70 to get the answer 100? So if in this case you have to subtract the answer that is given and the one part of the sum. So 100 minus 70 will be how much? If you subtract this, 30. So 30 will be the answer. So if you add the 70 plus 30 will be 100. Next, 45. What will you add to 45 to get 100? Again we have to subtract 100 minus 45. We subtract 5, 9. Answer will be 45 plus 55 will be 100. Look at the next sums. 300 plus dash is equal to 400. So what will you do? You have to subtract 400 minus 300. So if you subtract these two numbers, the answer will be 100. So 300 plus 100 will make 400. Next, 30 plus dash is equal to 50. So what will you add with 30 so that the sum that you get will be 50? 50. In this case, you have to subtract the answer with the sum that is given, the one part of the adding that is given. 50 minus 30 will be 20. So 20. 30 plus 20 will be 50. Mental maths. 1 more than 999 will be how much? If you add 999 plus 1, if you add 999 plus 1, the answer will be 1000. Next, 100 more than 6457. So, as this is ones, tens, 100. So, it is a hundreds place. So, I have told you previously, go to the hundreds place, it is 4. Here the hundreds place, the digit is 4. So, in this digit, you have to increase plus 1. You have to add plus 1. Then you will get the answer. So, 6457. If we add this particular digit as this is the hundreds place, as you have to add with hundreds. So, if we add this digit plus 1, the answer will be 6557. Next, 10 more than 8119. So, any number, this is the tens place. So, 1's tens. In tens place, the digit is 1. So, here you have to add plus 1. So, if you add 1 plus 1, the answer will be 2. So, the answer will be 8129. 200 more than 1786. So, it is 200. So, go to the hundreds place, 1, 10, 100, and in hundreds place it is 7. So, if you add 7 plus 2, as that is 200. So, you have to add this number with 2. So, 7 plus 2 will be 9. So, the answer will be 1986. Now, look at the next sum. The number of a particular model of car sold in 5 consecutive years were 300, 200, 500, 600 and 800. How many cars of this model were sold during this period? So, model of car sold in the first year was 300. Model of car in the second year was 200. Model of car sold in third year is 500. Model of car sold in fourth year is 600. Model of car sold in the fifth year is 800. So you have to add these numbers. Then write down total model of car sold during the 5 consecutive years is 0, 0, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 5 will be 10, 10 plus 6 will be 16, 16 plus 8 will be 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Then write down the answer. 2400 cars of this model were sold during 5 consecutive years. So we have finished this revision work. Look at the sums and copy in your notebook. Thank you.